Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, UK's leading installers of Starline security. Today we've protected this 2022 Audi R8 with a Starline Pro Immobiliser with Anti-Hijack. So as standard with the Immobilisers, obviously if someone clones the key, steals the key, hops in, starts it, try to drive off, you see it switches off. There we go. So what the customer will need to do to start this vehicle, they start it up, pop in their disarm code that they set. For the video we've kept it nice and simple, 1, 2, 3. Hear a melody, and now they can drive away. On top of the standard Immobiliser that we do, this has also got anti-hijack, so if they pulled up at a set of lights one day and someone decided they wanted to pull them out and steal the vehicle, so the owner's hopped out, thief's now hopped in, and they want to drive the vehicle away, what it will do, it will let them start going away, and then the system will start counting down, as you can hear, to confirm anti-hijack is enabled. If this is obviously the customer, they put in their disarm code and this will stop. But if it's a thief and they carry on driving, the car will cut out. As you can see, the car's now dead. Obviously, if this happens to the customer, they'll be able to put their disarm code in. But it will stop the thief from taking the vehicle away. When they come back to the vehicle, they'll obviously want to drive it away from the thieves who've now left it. So what they got to do, ignition on without the foot on the brake, pop their code in. There we go. Now ignition off, back on. Melody, and we can start it. So if you want to get one of these fitted to your vehicle, get it secured, this is the 2022 Audi R8. As you can see, it's brand new with only 250 miles. And this is the Starline Pro Immobiliser with Anti-Hijack. We're Immobiliser Fit, and if you want to get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.